Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to lesson number 20 of learning how to read the Quran. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you the ability to be able to recite the Quran in the best way in a very short time. Ameen. Okay, so let's start then. So this is fa, fa, fa. So say it with me. Fa. So your teeth, top teeth, like that. Fa, fa. Like fi, fi. So say it with me. Fi, fu, fu. Say it with me. Fu. So fa, fi, fu. Fa, fi, fu. Brilliant. Okay, right. Next one now. Wa, 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 wa. Okay, so you're gonna make your mouth like this. Wa, wa. Have a go. Wa, wa. This one, we, we. So that was wa, and this is we, smaller. We, we, we. Say it with me. We. So wa and we, we. And this is woo, woo. So you don't change the shape of your mouth, right? You just say woo, woo. So wa, we, and woo. Wa, we, and woo. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Okay, next. Ba. Lips together and make a sound. Ba, ba, ba. Okay, next. Pronounce it. Ba, ba. Next one. B, B. So your mouth kind of goes sideways. B, B, B. And now pronounce this one. Boo, boo. You know when you want to scare someone. Boo, boo. Have a go. Boo. So say all three of them. Ba, bi, boo. Ba, bi, and boo. Alright. Now. Ma, 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 ma. Have a go. Ma, ma, ma. Next. Me, 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 me. Have a go. Me, me. And last one. Moo. Have a go. Moo, moo, moo. Now don't stretch it too much, okay? So when you pronounce these, just say ma, mi, mu. Don't say ma, mi, mu. No. Ma, mi, and mu. Okay, excellent, excellent. Right. So now we've finished all the letters now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at a word that has all the letters joined together now. Right. So this is practice for you guys. So I want you to have a look at this word. Okay. Now have a look at this word. Try to pronounce it yourself. Have a go. Try and pronounce from all the letters that you've learned. Try to pronounce it yourself. And if you're finding it difficult, go back to the videos and try to work out what these letters are. Right. And you might want to even write down the letters yourself. So this is akhadha, akhadha, akhadha. Now don't say akhadha. No, say it short. Akhadha, akhadha. So have a go with me. Akhadha. Here I'm going to show you the breakdown of this word now. So you have you have kha, and you have the. So as you can see, the kha is actually slightly different here. It doesn't have its belly. Can you see that belly there? They don't have that belly there. So this might be a bit difficult sometimes for you to identify when you're reading the Quran. Okay, so akhadha, akhadha. Just keep that in mind that this belly sometimes is cut off. Akhadha. So have a go again. Akhadha, akhadha. Alright, let's move on to the next word now. So the next word we have is, have a go at this yourselves. Pronounce it. Adhina, adhina, adhina. And remember, if you can't remember these letters, go back to the videos, watch them again until you memorize them. Right. So straightforward. You got an there, joined to nothing. Dhal, it's not joined to anything. And you got a na, which is not joined to anything as well. So you got three words here, or three letters rather. Adhina, straightforward. Okay, have a go yourselves. Have a go pronouncing it. Okay, say adhina. Excellent. Right, next one now. The next word, right, have a go at this. Try to pronounce this. See if you can do it. See if you can identify the letters that you know in there. Okay, so this is ja'ala. 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 Okay, so ja'ala. Okay, so what's this made up of? Now, the ja, you got that there, no belly. You got see that the and it's got no belly as well, and it's got no head. And la. Ja'ala. Ja'ala. So you notice the belly on the is actually missing there, and the head as well. And on the ja, just the belly. So you got the belly there that's missing, and the head as well. Okay. And the ja, you've got the belly missing. So this is like ja'ala. Again, identifying these is going to be a little bit difficult for you guys, but don't worry, inshallah. I'm going to help you out in these lessons, and I'm going to try to make sure that you understand or recognize these. Okay, so ja'ala. So ja'ala, have a go. Try to say it yourselves. Ja'ala. Say it loud. Ja'ala. Say it loud so everyone in wherever you're sitting is hearing that you're saying it. Okay. Right, next one. Let's have a go at the next one then. Next one, have a go at that. This is a slightly different background I've used here. I want you to kind of get used to different kind of fonts and different ways that it's written or places. So have a go at this. Jama'a. 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 Okay. So the ja is connected like that. Ja. No belly again. Ja. Ja. And the ma looks like that. As you can see, it's slightly different. It's joined from the beginning and it's joined from the back as well. So the front and the back are joined together. So you have to recognize it as a little blob. And the is something which is, again, over there. The only difference here, I would say, is probably the head is missing. Okay, the head is missing. Okay, so that's jama'a. Jama'a. And that ma over there. This is the key thing. I think a lot of people might find this one difficult. Right, to identify this little blob there as a ma, right, but hopefully inshallah you guys should be able to understand it with practice. The again, the head is slightly different, belly over there is still the same. Okay, so have a go yourselves now. Now pronounce it. Jama'a. Jama'a. Right, next one now. Have a go at this one. Pronounce it yourselves. Khuliqa. 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 Again, do not stretch. Don't say khuliqa. No. Khuliqa. Khuliqa. Now again, the khu here is made from the khu. Belly is missing again. The li, it's slightly different here. You need to identify it. And qa is basically the same really. It hasn't really changed much. So khuliqa. Khuliqa. The khu there. And then you got the li, and then you got the qa, right? So the belly of the khu, right? You got that there. Only thing I would say is the li, as you can see, that li is there, but it's a bit difficult to identify. Just remember, it joins the word after it. Okay, it joins with the word after it. So have a go at this. Pronounce it yourselves. Come on. Khuliqa. Khuliqa. Excellent. Excellent. Right, let's have a go at another one now. Now, have a go at this yourselves. Try to pronounce it. Give it a go. Right, you might recognize one or two letters there. It's actually dhakara. 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 So pronounce it. Dhakara. Excellent. Right, so dhakara is made from dha and ka and ra. As you can see, that is basically the same, hasn't really changed. Ka is very different now. Right, and identifying that might be a bit tricky, I think. Yeah, bit tricky, because you have with the ka, as you can see, it has a kind of like a top to it. This line that's added onto the top, as you can see, and that is, it's not there, right? That's just straightforward, like a backwards L, but this got a top to it there. That's how you have to identify it, right? That kind of shape there, the S shape that's created. So have a go yourselves now. Try to pronounce it. Dhakara. Dhakara. And that's it. It's done. Alhamdulillah. Now, what I want you to do is I want you guys to have a go at these words now. Right? So, have a go at this. Right? And have a go at this one as well. Okay, it might be a bit difficult for you guys, but have a go. And have a go at this one as well. Okay, now practice this as much as you can. Put it in the comments, whatever you think it is, or write it in the comments. And hopefully in the next lesson, we'll try to go over these as well. So thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope that it has been beneficial to you guys and helped you a lot. If you have any questions, any sort of comments, any feedback, please put it in the comments below. And inshallah, I'll try to